Today's quick tip is going to be about something that I've been seeing quite a few comments on in the last week or so, so I thought today would be a good time to address that. That would be now what seems like maybe a common myth about overseeding. Let's say you have a Kentucky bluegrass lawn and you're not liking how it's not doing so well in the heat this year, or it goes dormant fast, whatever the case is, you want to get something in there that might do better with some drought and some drought tolerance. I've been seeing tons of people who say, I think I'm just going to add fescue to this and overseed this year, and then it'll push out the bluegrass and then I'll have a fescue lawn. Well, no, not exactly. So if you remember, overseeding is simply putting grass seed over top of what you have. Maybe 3-4 years of this, after you do this consistently, you may end up with a lawn that's predominantly the type that you want it to be, but it's going to take some time. But also, whenever you're putting into the grass, remember that it's not just removing what's there and it's not killing off what's there. Just by adding a new type doesn't mean that what you had there is going to just suddenly disappear, or that it's just going to be pushed out by this new grass that comes in. That's not really how it works, especially on a Kentucky bluegrass lawn where Kentucky bluegrass spreads. It's very much a dominant grass. So that might be the only grass type in Kentucky bluegrass that actually could somewhat push out the other grasses. But just remember, when you put down a grass on top of another grass, it's not killing off that other one that was originally there. Especially once you put down fertilizer, you start watering this new grass seed that you put down. It's also going to do a lot for the grass that's there, and it's going to make that one to come to life and grow and get better as well. I've just been seeing that recently about overseeding, and that I think I can just change my grass type completely by overseeding, and what's there will just be removed and pushed out, and that's not exactly how it works. If you want to completely change your grass type, you're going to need to do a full renovation. I talked about a full renovation versus overseeding, some of the steps and what you should think about in preparing for those just a couple videos ago, so go ahead and check that out if you want to learn more about that. But just remember today that overseeding your grass into another one does not push it out or make it just go away. It's going to add some of the new one in there, but you're still going to end up with a lot of what you had to begin with. Thank you so much for leaving these comments and questions. Helps me to figure out what you want to see for videos and what topics we should cover. I'll be back very soon with some renovation work that's about to start out here at Westbury Acres. Thanks so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.